when the earth shakes, it can still lead to many disasters. Although, depending on the strength of the shake, it still can cause a lot of catastrophes, like destruction of houses, landslides, and even death.
We have suffered a lot from earthquakes. It's time we make our stand, hoping for the future with no more death.
Disasters like earthquake are natural, but it has destroyed a lot and even people's future. But it shows we need to make a stand, that we will not waver from such disaster by preparing for what is in store for the future.
Just because earthquake may sometimes be unpredictable, doesn't mean we can prepare for one.
Preparation is key. Preparing a medical kit and all necessary equipment needed during a disaster is a must.
Though deemed unnecessary for now, we must brace ourselves for what will soon happen.
Buti hindi pa tayo makyat dun. Meron pa, meron pa. Lakas.
OMG! 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 Nabidyohan ko! Talaga! Drop, cover, and hold on. If you're inside, stay inside. If you're in a high-rise building, drop, cover, and hold on. If you're inside a crowded place, drop, cover, and hold on. If you're outside, stay outside. If you're in a moving vehicle, stop as quickly and safely as possible. If you're in a stadium or theater, stay in your seat. Protect your head and neck with your arms or in any way possible. If you are near the shore, drop, cover, and hold on until the shaking stops. If you cannot drop to the ground, try to sit or remain seated so you are not knocked down.